Okay. Stop. This is Wesley $1 billion Virgin. Let's go. So read this. Read this before I get started. This video is not for smart people. Okay. How to make $400 a day in 30 days. Okay, so if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Wesley $1 billion Virgin. I was broke and now I'm rich. I was struggling and now I'm prospering. And what I want to do is, I'm an internet marketer, okay? And I want to show you what I'm doing here. Brand new company here. And what I'm promoting right now, and we're doing about $400 a day. And I'm going to show you the Facebook account. I'm going to show you the Clickbank account. But I want you to really pay attention to everything that you see here, because a lot of you, if you've been following me, if you're brand new, hello, what up? If you've been following me, you know I've made upwards towards like $20,000 to $30,000 per day. Yeah, $30,000 a day. But sometimes you can't understand that, right? Can you guys hear me clearly? If you can hear me, say, let's go! Just let me know if you can hear me properly. Sometimes it's hard to imagine making $10,000 per day. But let me ask you a question. Can you imagine making $400 a day? It's $12,000 a month. I'm pretty sure if you were making $400 a day, you wouldn't be working a job and you'd be okay. Can I get an amen? I just want to know if I'm talking to. Understand this. If you're a smart person, smart people is this, okay? This is how I define smart people, because I'm not smart, okay? I'm really not that smart, not that bright, but yet I'm making millions of dollars online just like yourself. Very shortly, if you pay attention in this video here. Smart people are the people that went to school, you got your big degrees, your master degrees, your PhD degrees, and you talk like this. Hi, my name is Mr. blah, blah, blah. I have a PhD from MIT and blah, 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 right? We're not talking to those people, okay? We want to talk to the people that are not smart, which means is maybe you haven't graduated from college. Maybe you grew up in the ghetto. Maybe you didn't make good grades in high school. Right? Maybe you was counted out, those type of people. Maybe you're not able to read books and regurgitate information and take tests and pass them. Me, I made C's and D's and F in school, a couple of B's. SATs, I pretty much flunked that. Almost every test I took, I passed to the point that I can go to the next grade. So if that's you, then pay attention, okay? Because anybody can do this. But if you're too smart, then it's like, this is going to go over your head, because you're going to be like, this is not true. This is scam. This is not going to work. This is bull. You got to go to school to do this. No, you don't. Okay, I didn't go to school. I'm self-taught. So let me show you here. Pay close attention here, okay? You guys watching all these videos. I'm always absorbing knowledge, folks. Put the words below, absorbing knowledge. All right, so let me show you one of my campaigns. Now, this is my Facebook account. And I know that you guys see Kimberly Gutierrez. That's my girlfriend. I'm just kidding. I don't have a girlfriend. See, I got you. I got you, didn't I? Kimberly Gutierrez. I don't know who that is. But I purchase, what I do is I purchase Facebook accounts all the time, because they're always banning my accounts, right? Because I'm making too much money online. But I want to show you something. Now, this is a brand new account. Okay, and as you can see here, we have spent $107. Pay attention here. Listen to me close, because I want you to see how I start from scratch, how I build a brand new company from scratch. This is Facebook. This is my business manager account. Okay, I'm an internet marketer, which means I promote products online. Okay, so pay attention here. You want to stay to the end of this video, because I'm going to give you something special here, okay? Let me show you how to do it. $107. You see that? Does that make sense? Just put, yes, Wesley, this makes sense. Can you see this? I just want to make sure, because there's no funny business going on, okay? Look at this. It's Sunday, 6:55, December 30th, 2018. For some of you analytical people here, $107 today is today. Okay, great. Now, I want you to show you something. This is my Clickbank account. You should know what Clickbank is. Who doesn't know what Clickbank? Clickbank was the company where I made several millions and millions of dollars. Listen to me. If you're a beginner, if you are a beginner, you're brand new to the internet world, Clickbank is probably the best platform that you should use to begin, okay? I talk about this at wesleyvirgin.com, which you can easily go to that website at any time. But right now, understand, Clickbank made me millions of dollars. Did I have to learn and study? Yes. But I love this platform because it makes it very easy for a newbie to make money. Okay? So let me show you something here. This is my Clickbank ID, OM email. And as you can see here today, I've made $502. Let's do a refresh. Hold on. See, December 30th, $502. Yesterday I made $825. December 28th, I made $431. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oh my God, Wesley. Thank you for sharing this video, showing us from scratch exactly what you're doing here, okay? But I know what you guys want. You want to see the Facebook ads, right? Who wants to see the Facebook ads that's producing this type of money? Because think about it for a second, huh? Okay? Listen to me here. Like, I love you guys so much. I mean, no internet marketer is going to show you this from the beginning. They're going to show you when this number is $50,000 a day and say, hey, look, dude, I'm making $50,000 a day, bro. Look at this, man. I'm rich. Yeah, baby. I'm killing it. Yeah, he's making $50,000 a day, but he's spending $49,000 a day on ad spend. Now, okay, so that's $1,000 profit. So what I'm showing you here, if you look back here, let's go. Wait, hold up. Let's go back here. I spent $100. Let me do a refresh. So you can see this is real time, okay? Look at this. Let's go to today. This is no BS. This is real life. What? See, the reason why I show you this too, because I want to increase your belief. Like, you really can make money online. You really, like you. I'm talking to you, big head. I can see that big old dome head. Sometimes I can feel some of you guys breathing. Some of y'all breathe too hard, seriously. Look, $107, okay? I spent today on Facebook ads, and December 30th made $502 here, okay? See that? All right? And I know what your question is. How, Wes? How, Wes? How? I'm tired of my job, Wes, please. Save me. I mean, think about it. 500, like, let's go back here. I mean, can you imagine, what would you do? Let me ask you guys a question here. What would you do with $500 a day? I have accounts right now. You know, some of my accounts have more money, like 11,000, 7,000, whatever. But I say, you know what? What would you do with $500 a day? That's $15,000 a month, folks. Now you see why I'm always buying Cartier bracelets, Hublot watches. I keep buying all these Yeezys. I mean, I'm a sneakerhead now. Before, this girl that I was dating, she's an amazing person. And she got me, like, hooked on these, like, shoes. She bought sneakers. And now I'm buying sneakers, like, every day sometime. But if you're making $15,000, like $500 a day, who cares, right? And say if you have several of these accounts, not just one, have over maybe 10 Clickbank accounts, okay? And this is just a brand new one. So far, current week, I'm up $1,700 here. Okay. All right. Now check it out. All right. So these are the ads right here. Okay. Here are the ads. Here are the ads. Here are the ads. Ad campaigns. What I'm going to do is this. Okay. Instead of deep diving into this video, because this video got to be quick, because right now I got to go take my kids to the movies. I would show you these ads, but you know how we do it. The thing is, if I give you a little value, then I need you to take a step in the right direction towards me as well. Make sense? My kids want to go see some movies. I don't know. We got to go to iPick here tonight. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do something for you. Not only am I going to give you the ad, I'm going to also show you exactly the product that I'm promoting on Clickbank. Is that cool? All you got to do is this. If you're on Instagram, go to my bio, click the link. Or if you're looking at this screen right now, just go to this link. Okay? Online Millionaire Mastery, okay? It's a course I created. It's for newbies and people that are beginners, people that have jobs, that want to leave their jobs, people that want financial freedom for their family. Understand this, the average income for a home is about $3,000 to $4,000 a month, okay? What we're talking about here is $500 a day. I mean, you know, I have a lot of people that really just make a lot of money very swiftly. The people that are serious like you, like they're dedicated, they're committed, you know. They're not looking for like no overnight success. They're looking to learn like you do at school. But instead of getting a degree, you get more money, right? You know, $15,000 a month is a lot of money for a lot of you, okay? Okay, so picture yourself in a couple of weeks just by going to this link, understanding, naturally getting started with the Online Millionaire Mastery, and it works. And you know what? I'm going to do something cool here. This is what I'm going to do. First 5 people that go to this website, click the link, and make a decision to grab the Online Millionaire Mastery course, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the exact winning ad. Like, because we have a few ads. I think we have a few ad sets in here. Oh, my Facebook guy's going to be pissed at me, but he's all good. See this right here? We have a lot of ad sets. What I'm going to do is I will give you the ad that I'm using, the first 5 people, okay? All you got to do is go here, or go to my bio on Instagram. And it doesn't matter if I made this video in 2018, 2019, 2020. It still works. Understand, my programs have been online for like 5 years, and they still make money. So it doesn't matter, okay? Once you learn how to do this, it's really easy. But one, you need the right tools. 2, you need to have the right mindset. 3, you got to take action, okay? You got to take action. So the first 5 people to go ahead and grab this, you should be like not on this video right now and at this link right now and getting started with me now. And I know what you're thinking right now. Wesley, you're crazy. Are you serious? You're going to give me the ad. So, Wesley, you're telling me this. Yes, think about it. I'm going to give you, I just started this, right? Like, we just started this on December 28th, right? I'm going to give you access to what you're doing to make $500 a day. And you're going to give me the ad, and you're going to tell me the product, and all I got to do is click this link here and jump into your course where you're going to help me live my dreams? Yes, I'm going to do it. All you have to do is hit me here. Once you hit me here, show me proof in my DM, okay? If you're on YouTube right now, I'm Wesley, $1 Million Virgin. I'm a billionaire, but I'm a millionaire. I know that kind of, if that makes sense, just relax. But Instagram, Wesley, $1 Million Virgin. Just show me that you grabbed the Online Millionaire Mastery course. On this site here, you'll see a video. Watch the video. And if you decide or not to decide to get started with me, I'm going to give you access, and I'm going to show you some things. I'm just going to give you the ad. I'm going to give you the program, the product that we're promoting right now that is like, we're about to scale, just to let you know. Like, you see this right here? This number is about to, maybe in 2 weeks, it'll be at maybe 20 grand a day. Now, I'm not that excited because I'm kind of used to making a lot of money, so it's like, I need $100,000 a day. My goal is $100,000 a day, but your goal should be $100 a day, maybe $500 a day, even $300. Think about this. Even $300 a day, as you look at my screen right now, it's $9,000 per month. $9,000 per month. I mean, I don't know what else to do to help you guys succeed, okay? So, first 5 people, click this link. You grab the Online Millionaire Mastery course. Just send me a screenshot that you got it done, and you'll be in the program with me, and we're going to make tons of money together. Guys, I love you guys. I appreciate you. Let's do a countdown. I just got to sell. I just saw somebody jump in. That's 3 people. That's 4 people. I got 1 more person. You know, those are people that just take action right now. You know, some people just say, you know what, Wes? I got to do this now. And when people just say, you know what? Yeah, it makes perfect sense. Wes is going to help me live my dreams, you know? You know, maybe I'm not a millionaire, but $10,000 per month sounds great. If that makes sense, if you're still here watching me and you haven't already been here and grabbed the online millionaire mastery course, well, just go to YouTube and go watch some other videos, okay? I'm here to get rich. I love you guys so much. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Much love. Talk soon. Here you go. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. I got to go. Later. Much love. Let's go.